Actually, let's just go and jump all montage one time. Yeah. Let's go get the SV and let's jump on that.
Run to something cool. You're close together, I'm sure one shot.
That's sick.
How are you doing?
You are so gay.
Big bridges from 5.5mm to 5mm for lower unsprung speed.
How do you sit on the booster?
I just don't like how they got the black.
Yeah. It just falls over.
The front forks have softer suspension settings that suit the different centre of gravity with a single bumper. The softer settings give better shock absorption early in the stroke, and that means better grip.
Needs to go from factory extender.
An electronically controlled steering damper helps to ensure stability and sharp handling.
There's one in the face.
The front.
Put the camera away.
What? What's that, Cuddles?
I said put the camera away.
Shotgun?
Shotgun. Ray goes from there.
Hey, you got sketchy ass, Mitch. We're gonna get a video. He's fucking following. Can I get a photo with you? Actually, do it. What?
What aren't I doing? You could be a passenger. I don't really like Get off me. Get off me.
Wait, no, there is definitely no balls to ass here.
Or the kidney. Like if I can't reach the ground, no one else can.
If you can't.
You can lie down with this. Sit on the tank. Sit on the tank. Sit on the tank.
Yes. No way, there's an airbag there.
Oh, get your knee down.
Get into an accident. You need that.
Yeah, just wait for the idiot to get onto it.
Wheelie. Do the one before.
Now one hand. One hand.
One handle.
This is it. And if it gets bogged, you can just pick it up.
Oh, this is the right day bikes.
Pardon?
Champions right days.
Oh, dude. Dude. Check out that one, man. It's like, looks like it's been castigated leather.
That's pretty cool.
How would you ride? How would you steer that?
Fuck off, Ben. Dick.
Yeah, touch it.
Really nice 996 though, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, Mitch's housemate.
No. Someone kicked.
I would have smashed him in the face.
Did? Someone kicked what?
Oh, my old Ducati, someone kicked it over and I was parked on the street one time.
Really?
Yeah. Like when the next day, like on its side, man, I was like, oh,
zoom in on Cuddle's face.
So small for people mod like that.
How you going, Monroe?
You guys are so good.